Welcome to MeeLearn Chinese. Hey, it's Rose Lee. Lots of my beginner students ask me this question. How do I introduce myself in Chinese? So in this lesson, you will learn how to say I am plus your name in Chinese. If you're meeting someone for the first time,
你好，
你好，
我是李刚。
我是高燕。
你好，我是王丽婷。
我是李刚。I am 李刚。Here, 是 is equivalent to the English to be verb. Am, is, are, or was, were. Please note here that 是 doesn't conjugate. That means doesn't matter the subject is you, I, or they. Doesn't matter this thing happened in the past, is happening, or will happen in the future. 是 stays the same. The sentence structure is like this. Noun 1 plus 是 plus noun 2. Here, 我 and 李刚 are both nouns, using 是 to link them. Let's look at some examples. 我是学生 Literally, I am student. I am a student. 你是老师 Literally, you are teacher. You are a teacher. Note here that 是 is not used to link a noun and an adjective. Example. If you want to say I am good, you cannot say 我是好. You should say 我很好. Example 2. If you want to say I'm busy, you cannot say 我是忙. Instead, you should say 我很忙. So in this example, I'm busy, 我很忙. 很 is literally translated as very, but here is more of a linking adverb or a filler to fill in the position in between the noun and the adjective. It doesn't sound as very as the literal meaning. We will have a different lesson explaining the difference between the very literal meaning and the linking adverb. Now it's time to review. 是 to be verb, am, is, are, or was, were. 我是李刚 I am 李刚我是高燕 I'm 高燕我是王丽婷 I am 王丽婷我很好 I'm good 我很忙 I'm busy. Now it's time for a language tip. 你好，我是王丽婷 Chinese names are composed by surname or last name plus given name or first name. Here, 王丽婷 Wang is a surname or last name, and 丽婷 is a given name or first name. 李刚 Li is a surname or last name, and Gang is a given name or first name. In Chinese culture, people introduce themselves by giving their full names, starting with surname or last name, then given name or first name. Only families or close friends will call each other by first name or given names. In schools, companies, or other organizations, usually a person's full name is used even when this person has been there for a long time. It's worth noting that in a company, the way to address a person varies depending on this person's title, age, etc. We will have a different lesson explaining how to address a person in a company. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!